Cooking with Eli. For this recipe, you're going to need a ton of ketchup, some lemon juice, a string cheese, milk, and cranberry juice. Let's do this. First of all, what you're going to need as far as cooking stuff is one frying pan and 1 cup. Never mind. No need for a frying pan, apparently. We're not going to be frying a cheese stick, as Colson informed me that it would melt if we don't have any dough, so we're not going to do that. Instead, just cut up the cheese stick. There we go. Wonderful. Okay, and then arrange it in a circular pattern, and then just add just a drop of milk. Okay, there we go. Alright, after the drop of milk, then we're just going to be putting just a drop of ketchup around the sides of the circle. Try to hit every cheese stick. Well, this isn't working very well. One second. Just go ahead and take the lid off so you can just pour it. That would be better. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Just dump it. Don't get too much on the milk. I got it on the milk. So far, it's looking delicious. Now we're just going to put some salt. Drop of salt. And then we're going to go ahead and put it in the microwave. This is what it should look like. If it doesn't look like that, you're doing it wrong. We're going to put it in the microwave for about 15 minutes. While that's waiting, we can just look at the beautiful natural scenery. Alright, there you go. Now that it's done, the plate is really hot. Like, really hot. Now we're going to